Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my new Coach wristlet in signature leather. Let's get started. This is a corner zip wristlet in the color chalk with gold hardware. I ordered this online from Coach Outlet along with the matching Coach card case. I got some pictures for you guys to see. If this video was helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot in reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I filmed this video outside so you can see just how the wristlet looks when it's in natural light. The retail price for this one is $98. And I got it for, I think, 73% off. I bought it at $25. I have seen it as high as $28 or close to $30, and I've seen it as low as $20. But whenever I've seen it on the site, it sells out quickly. Stay until the end of this video. I'll be comparing this wristlet with my patent leather wristlet that I got from Coach. You can also check out my other videos I have on the matching Coach card case. Here are all the product details listed on the Coach Outlet site. Here it says that a phone will fit into the wristlet, but unless you have a flip phone or a teeny weeny phone, it's not going to fit. It has a chic and classy look. It can go inside your purse or you can wear it alone. And the color is an off-white matte color. The leather is calf leather. It's smooth to the touch and it feels soft. I like all the gold detailing on this piece. The zipper, the attachment for the handle, and of course the logo. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It comes in other colors. It comes in black with the gold hardware, and it comes in the red color. They call that wine on the website, and the wine has silver hardware. I took it out of its packaging and started looking at it very closely, and I saw this. At first I thought it was a smudge, ink or something. Then I found out I didn't have any ink on my hand. It's a flaw, so I sent this one back. Had to send this one back. I've ordered online a few times, but this was the first time that I had to send something back. Sometimes I just go into the outlet. When I'm in North Carolina, there are 2 outlets near me. There's one in Smithfield, that's 50 minutes away, and there's another one in Mebane, that's about 30 minutes away. There's also a Coach retail store at the mall. So I've got some choices. Let me know in the comment section about the Coach outlets that's in your area, or if you have to order online. This piece was made in the Philippines, and except for the flaw, this piece is made pretty well. The fabric color on the inside is a satiny copper color. It's really pretty. I've used this as a small wallet or an extra cosmetic case. And sometimes when I'm traveling, I put my passport in there, and the passport fits in there perfectly. There are so many different ways that you can use this. So right here I'm taking the measurements. They're 6 by 4. I don't know why I measured the handle, but somebody might want to know that information. about 6 inches. Okay, here is my Coach wristlet in patent leather. I got the patent leather wristlet about 2 years ago. I think I got that in 2017. When I first got it, I didn't like it. I thought it was a bit too shiny, but now I like it. But now you can see the contrast between the two. You can see how matte the chalk wristlet is compared to the shininess of the patent leather one. But other than that, they're practically the same. One difference that I saw was that the size of the seeds on the patent leather one are smaller than the seeds on the chalk one. And there's not as many rows of seeds on the chalk as there are on the patent leather one. Well, that's it. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Go check out my other videos, and thank you for watching.